Just came to the garage and see what the fuck happened. Damn it, the engine fell down. So I managed to get it on the ground the way it should be. But yeah, I'm not sure what should I do. Does not look hurt really. It fell down, yes. And the flywheel also looks fine. I'm afraid the crankshaft got the hit hard. I probably need to check at least the lateral bearings, because if the crankshaft is bent, it's all fucked, and it will be like gone after a few minutes of running of the engine. I think I have no other way than just continue. Fell here on the side of the flywheel like this. So I don't know. This beast is like probably good 150 kilograms. I don't know why this happened. V8 is jealous because I bought a new car, which is cool and has almost the same power as this. What the hell is happening? Yeah, so this baby is go in for the last time, for the first time. Clutch plate is e36 M3, it's 330D pressure plate, 320D gearbox. So yeah, all together now with the timing done. Let's put it in.
Got me feeling like a drop in the sand, like a worm in the storm.
Look at this beautiful diff. I said I was is raptoring under the car, so it's nice and black. See? It's black, yeah, you see shit, that's why, because it's black. Engine is in, and now I'm going to suck the gearbox mount. Check it out. So this is what is happening. See the mount there? How about I put it on?
A true psychopath, don't love me. Oh, when you're lost, take your trust. Yeah, that's me. Like an onion, I'll liberate your tears. Your sweet passion, sweet fears. Oh, you're in good hands. They say I'm gentle, so don't be scared. I'm a monster. Every turn has its thrill.
This is frozen also as the bearing, so just slide in.
Pilgrim, don't let me, okay?
Nope.
I wanna be given the blame.
So this is the assembled rear Miata hub. Don't confuse it with Pornhub, it's something else. This is machine from e30. This hub, you put the wheels on it. I will put studs in it, the conversion set for the BMW. It was machined in the size here and the size to fit the Miata. So it can go the e36 axle in. And was also machined so I don't have to cut the axle, so I can use stock e36 axles. Yeah? And maybe e34 too, we'll see. I will try to find out too. So what I'm going to do now is just spray it because it was machined and it's Miata steel, so it probably will rust like crazy.
I'm a fraud, call me a liar. A true psycho. Ooh, I'm a fraud, call me a liar.
This reassembles the Miata diff, yeah? The Miata diff has this straight here, so I made this adapter. By the way, there is a whole episode how I've done this. You just see the result now. Fine threaded, high strength M valves, so these fuckers should hold something. I think they will rather rip the diff, the subframe apart.
Come thunder. My heat's like another crack. You can cut me up in pieces. Stop my lung support.
That's years of Miata experience. You know.
You come up with your own
Yeah.
inventions.
I don't have a press, so I have to find my way. But I think I perfected this technique. Wow!
I hate to say that, I just caught that.
That cam shot in the eye.
It had to happen.
It hurts. The petroleum is not the most eye-friendly thing.
No, I can imagine.
But how to remove it? Like, no pitch. Just cut pipe and make it smaller for the size. Okay, so the axle is in. So you can see it works here. It's not tightened yet, but the BMW axle has some play here. So it means like the engagement is correct here. Yeah. And it rotates. We flip with the wheel. The wheel rotates the diff, and see it's LSD, so it's moving the same ratio. It's almost perfect. There is a space for the ABS ring. In theory, practically I think it will fit here, so we'll see how this goes, but
Fingers crossed.
so I'm trying to make ABS works. So on this e36 axle I will now put ABS ring from Miata, which I had machined to the same diameter. There's just 0.1 millimeter overlap, so we should go with the heat. So yeah, I will either break it or it will work awesome. And like this, we have Bambeata axle.